This video is an orientation to how to use English 1010's Canvas page, the particular Canvas page for your courses. These Canvas pages may look a little bit different depending on which class you're looking at, so I want to go through the features with you. Some of you may have used Canvas before, some of you may not have. So one thing that's always consistent in Canvas is this material across the top. That will be the same in every course you take, but over here is the menu for this specific course. Everything you need you'll be able to find from this home page or any of these links here to the left. So basically, on this home page, it's actually called the front page in Canvas, which you'll see when you first log in to the class. There's a link for our schedule for the semester, the syllabus, which contains the course policies, a modularized view of our assignments and coursework that includes a few things that are not in the schedule, although they may be linked to in the schedule, and links for Canvas's own set of tutorials for students, important policies in the course, all the major paper assignments, which are 4, they are here, and you can read about those more on the course syllabus, and editing guidelines and MLA guidelines, which you might frequently use. So just to get started, I want to take you, first of all, the first thing you'll do is go to the schedule for the course. And this is an interactive schedule. It's a tentative schedule. I may change it based on our assessment of our needs, but this is the plan for the semester. You can see it goes till through all 16 weeks of the semester, and then finals, where we do not have a final but have to do an e-portfolio, which you will also read about on the syllabus. The first thing you'll want to do as we get started this semester is come to this link that says Introduce Yourself. If you just click that, you will see your assignment with some questions, and all you'll do is answer those questions here. You can just copy and paste them if you want and put your answers down here. And then come up here. You could answer them off to the side or in between, whatever you want to do. When you're done, click Post Reply. One thing I often suggest is that you work in a word processor, because sometimes online course platforms are a little difficult to work with, and the system might go down. You don't want to lose your work, so it's best usually if you do this work in a word processor and save it so it can be saved, and then cut and paste it here. So all of your assignments that you'll need to do, you can find them that way by going to that link on this home page, Schedule for Fall 2014. The course syllabus with various policies is here, and this gives you my name, Allison Fernley, and how to contact me. Usually you'll contact me through the Canvas mailbox up here, and you can set that to be forwarded to a different email, and the Canvas link, that link for tutorials, can show you how to do that. Phone number, my office hours. Since this is an online class, I do have an online office hour where we can use Canvas chat or talk on the phone. And then a link to the Writing Center you might be interested to use. Since you are either online or hybrid, you can also always come to the Writing Center, which is in this building where my office is, AAB, on the main floor. You'll also see on the home page here that this is maybe an easier to see sample of things. This is in modules. This is broken down according to each major paper we have, and basically gives you a visual representation of each module for the 4 papers, all the work connected to that. These are the links in the sample connect to here. So the thing that I just showed you to introduce yourself is also here. Anything with a little chat bubble here next to it is an assignment for you. Anything with a cloud symbol by it is something you can download, open up, and read. Mine anyway will always ask if I want to download it, and it'll do this funny little thing to try to render it, and it's been very slow. So sometimes it's just easier to click on it. Oh, it's faster today, shocking. But that's not very large. You'd have to make it larger. And this particular one I'm showing you is just in case you haven't been able to get your book yet, is our first reading. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the modules. And the only other symbol you might see is this symbol. That's an assignment. That's something not everybody sees, but this is where you put your final papers for me to grade. So we basically have one other kind of symbol here too, and that's this one, which means this is a page, and you'll find some documents on it if you click on it. In this case, on our second module, it's samples of a student rhetorical analysis, which is our second assignment. So anything that is something you are assigned to do and has points, you'll see the due dates and the points over here. And that takes you through the whole semester. Everything else is links to different things that may help you as we go through the modules. So you'll want to be able to use this module page. But again, for the quick sense of what we're doing, you will probably click on, you can click here, or you can click on our schedule. You'll also see upcoming work over here. My view, even as a test student, doesn't show that, but you'll see your upcoming work here. And you'll see assignments here, but those will be assignments for every course that you take in Canvas. So that's why I just recommend you use the schedule, the modules, what's here, in order to navigate and be sure you've got your work done on time. Important course policies here, you'll want to read those. That'll be coming up soon. And paper assignments, all the description of our papers, as well as these editing guidelines and MLA guidelines. These are also in the modules, but I wanted you to have them here on the front page to get started. So you will be hearing more from me in class if you are in a hybrid section, or if you're in a fully online via further video. So I hope that this helps you get started in the class, and that we have a wonderful semester, and look forward to emails from me with more instructions, and any questions you have, you can always email me. Okay, hope that helps.